Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this basic bow. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and then click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So to start with, I have taken 4.5 millimeter crochet hook and a white yarn, 4-ply yarn from Red Heart. So I'm going ahead creating 10 chains and then I will be working a single crochet on second chain from the hook, and I will be working single crochet till the starting point of this chain. So on each and every chain I'm going to work a single crochet. So there is no standard length or the height for this bow. It's totally up to you. You can just play around. And then I've completed my single crochets. I'm doing a chain 1, turning my work, and I will be doing the exact same for the second row as well. So I will be working one single crochet on each stitches till the end, chain 1, turn. This is what we are going to work. So I'm going to work 6 rows of same pattern, single crochet throughout, and then chain 1, turn, do the same. So I'm going to work 6 rows of this. So on the last stitch, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, turn. So I've completed my 6 rows. So I'm working 3 single crochets around the corners, and then I will be working 1 single crochet around, and then in the corners I will be working 3 single crochet so that it gives me a good turn. So what I'm doing here is basically creating a border for the swatch what I've done. So I'm going to end my border here. So since I've started with only 2 single crochets for the corner, I'm going to do one more, and then I will be doing a slip stitch on the starting single crochet. So I've created a nice border of single crochets around the swatch. So I've created 6 rows and then a row of borders. So this is my bow. So let's see how I'm going to convert it to a super bow. So cut off your yarn and then secure them. I'm just going to pinch in the middle, and then I will take a long strand of yarn and then wrap them around in opposite directions. For a couple of times. Doesn't matter how many times you wrap around, not too many. And then I will secure them with a knot, nice tight knot, and then I will leave my long side of yarn as is. So if I need to work for any other project or attach it to anything else, I will be using a tapestry needle to this part of the yarn and will attach it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon. Thank you.